If you are a real estate agent still judging a brokerage by how nice the office looks, this video is for you. Because the truth is, the real estate business has changed. Clients are online, leads are online, contracts are digital, training can happen virtually, and agents no longer need a desk in an office to build a serious real estate business. That is exactly why Nex Realty was built as a modern, cloud-based brokerage. Today, we are breaking down the difference between a traditional brick-and-mortar brokerage and a cloud-based brokerage. More importantly, we are going to explain why Nex Realty thrives with a cloud-based model, and why that matters if you are an agent who wants more freedom, better support, better technology, and more control over your income. For decades, the traditional brokerage model was built around a physical office. You had the front desk, you had the conference rooms, you had agents coming in and out, you had floor duty, you had office meetings, and for a long time, that made sense. But here's the problem. A lot of the costs attached to that model still get passed down to the agents. Office rent, desk fees, monthly fees, franchise fees, technology fees, transaction fees, and sometimes agents are paying for things they barely even use. Most agents today are not sitting in an office from 9 to 5. They are showing homes, they are at inspections, they are at closings, they are working from their car, they are working from home, they are meeting clients at coffee shops, title companies, model homes, and properties. So the question becomes simple. Why should agents pay for a traditional office model if their business is already being run digitally? A cloud-based brokerage is built around flexibility, technology, and efficiency. Instead of requiring agents to operate from a physical office, the brokerage runs through digital systems, virtual support, cloud-based transaction management, online training, and remote communication. That means agents can work from anywhere while still staying connected to leadership, compliance, training, marketing, and support. At Nex Realty, this is not just a concept. This is how we operate every day. Nex Realty was designed for the way agents actually work today. We are not trying to force a 1990s brokerage model into a 2026 real estate world. We built Nex to be faster, leaner, more accessible, more affordable, and more scalable for agents across Florida. Our cloud-based model allows us to support agents statewide without being limited to one office location. That means whether you are in Tampa, Orlando, Miami, Broward, Palm Beach, Jacksonville, Naples, or anywhere in between, Nex Realty can support your business. One of the biggest advantages of being cloud-based is technology. At Nex Realty, agents have access to systems designed to help them operate professionally and efficiently. From transaction management to compliance, from CRM tools to lead opportunities, from agent websites to digital marketing support, from virtual communication to online training, everything is built to help agents move faster and stay organized. You do not need to drive to an office to ask a question. You do not need to wait days for help. You do not need to feel like you are on an island. With Nex, support is designed to be accessible wherever you are. Now, let's be clear. Cloud-based does not mean unsupported. That is one of the biggest myths in real estate. At Nex Realty, we believe the brokerage of the future is not about having a desk. It is about having real leadership, real systems, real training, and real support. Agents do not need more empty office space. They need answers, they need guidance, they need compliance help, they need marketing direction, they need contract support, they need accountability, they need tools that help them close more deals. That is what Nex Realty focuses on. Another major benefit of a cloud-based brokerage is cost efficiency. When a brokerage is not weighed down by unnecessary overhead, it can create better opportunities for agents. That is why Nex Realty is able to offer competitive commission structures, low fees, and a model built around helping agents keep more of what they earn. Because let's be honest, agents work hard for their commission. You prospect, you show homes, you negotiate contracts, you manage inspections, you deal with lenders, title companies, appraisers, buyers, sellers, and deadlines. So when you finally close, you should not feel like your brokerage is taking a huge piece just to pay for overhead you do not use. The Nex Realty model gives agents more freedom. Freedom to work from anywhere. Freedom to build your brand. Freedom to grow your business your way. Freedom to serve clients across your market. Freedom to operate without feeling boxed into a traditional office culture that may not fit how you actually work. This is especially powerful for experienced agents who already know how to run their business. But it is also powerful for newer agents who want strong support without being buried in fees. At Nex Realty, being cloud-based does not mean we sacrifice culture. In fact, it allows us to build a more intentional culture. We can connect agents virtually, we can host trainings, we can communicate quickly, we can share resources, we can support agents in multiple markets, and we can build a statewide network of agents who are all moving in the same direction. The goal is simple: help agents grow, help agents close, help agents keep more, help agents build a real career, not just hang their license somewhere. A lot of agents are starting to realize that the old model does not always match the modern business. They are tired of high splits. They are tired of monthly fees. They are tired of paying for office space they never use. They are tired of feeling like just another license number. They want a brokerage that is efficient, modern, responsive, and built for growth. That is where Nex Realty comes in. Nex Realty is not just another brokerage. We are building a tech-forward, agent-focused real estate platform for Florida agents. We combine the flexibility of a cloud-based model with the support agents expect from a serious brokerage. That means you get the freedom of working remotely, but you still have a team behind you. You get modern tools, you get training, you get leadership access, you get compliance support, you get growth opportunities, and most importantly, you get a brokerage model designed around the agent, not the building. So, let's compare it clearly. A brick-and-mortar brokerage often centers around the office. Nex Realty centers around the agent. A traditional brokerage may carry heavy overhead. Nex Realty uses a leaner, cloud-based structure. A traditional office may limit its reach to one local market. Nex Realty can support agents across Florida. A traditional model may charge more fees to support the building. Nex Realty focuses on giving agents value through technology, training, systems, and support. A brick-and-mortar office may look impressive from the outside, but Nex Realty is built to help agents win where it actually matters, in their business. The future of real estate is not about who has the biggest office. It is about who has the best systems, the best support, the best technology, the best commission model, and the best platform for agents to grow. That is why Nex Realty thrives as a cloud-based brokerage. We are not stuck in the old way of doing business. We are building for where the industry is going, and we are looking for agents who want to grow with us. So, if you are a Florida real estate agent and you are wondering whether your current brokerage is really giving you the value you deserve, it may be time to take a closer look at Nex Realty. Whether you are a new agent looking for guidance or an experienced agent looking to keep more of your commission, Nex may be the move. Visit www.mynexrealty.com to learn more. Schedule a quick discovery call, ask questions, compare the model, and see why agents across Florida are looking at Nex Realty as the modern brokerage built for today's real estate professional. Nex Realty, cloud-based, agent-focused, built for growth.